Introduce highlight features or overview summary for AIPER Scuba E1, Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: professional grade bottom brush. Engineered for exceptional performance, AIPER's specialized bottom brush delivers a deep and thorough clean, efficiently removing debris from pool floors. This innovative design ensures effortless pool maintenance. Advanced filtration system. AIPER features a more sophisticated and advanced filtration system. Its 3.6 liters high-capacity filter basket effectively captures leaves and debris, while its replaceable ultrafine filter can trap dirts as small as 3 μm. Powerful suction. Equipped with dual motors and pumps, this above-ground pool vacuum offers double the cleaning efficiency. It glides smoothly across surfaces, capturing dirt and debris with ease, providing a spotless pool every time. Extended battery life. Ideal for above-ground pools up to 1,100 square feet. 33 feet in length, this vacuum charges in just 2 hours and offers an impressive 130 minutes of cleaning time. Its long-lasting battery ensures uninterrupted and reliable performance. Lightweight and user-friendly design. Featuring a lightweight structure and rapid drainage, this pool vacuum is easy to remove from the water. Cleaning is simple, just open the top cover, take out the filter, and rinse it off. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.